Okay, we're on the super skilled work today. We're going unos, dos, tres, cutting in 3 boxes just like this here. So what I want you to do is mark out the size of them first, and then cut out round with a grinder like this. Cut the outline out with your grinder, and then what you need to do is breathe in as much dust as you can, because that makes you as hard as nails in order to chip that out. And only when you have done them and the rest of the building can you truly say, I hate this job. Keep at it.